A retired elite commando, Matrix, was living peacefully with his family and friends. One day, a gang of weapons smugglers murdered his brother and kidnapped his daughter out of revenge, taking her out to an unknown island. While the police failed to rescue her, Matrix set out a secret mission to stay undetected. He jumps off a plane midair, teams up with an old friend, raids an armed depot. Armed like a walking arsenal, he begins hunting them down one by one. He fights in malls, crashes cars, blows up buildings. Once he locates her, Matrix unleashed his final race, burning the villain's kingdom to ashes like a real one-man army. And the final boss, a sweaty maniac in chain mall named Bennett. Matrix gives him what he deserves and ends it with a steel pipe through his chest. Meanwhile, the military shows up, but it's already over. Matrix rescues his daughter. The entire terror group is wiped out. Everyone lives happily ever after. This is the life story of a true commando.